Hello! Welcome to Explore Home Repeat. My name's Matt.
And I'm Izzy.
And today we are back at Blenheim Palace for their Illuminated light trail. We're going to go around it, see what it's like. It's a very cold, wet night, but we'll see if it's still good.
Still enjoyable. No, I'm really looking forward to it. We've already done the house, so looking forward to this trail.
As always, we're here to see what it's like, if you should go, and if it's worth the ticket price. So stick around for the review at the end of the video. Right, you ready to go?
Let's go!
So last time we came here, it was in the daytime. Now we are here in the evening. So all of this carousel and everything is all lit up. All of this courtyard looks amazing. Really good, huh?
Really effective. Definitely, it looks more magical at night.
Yeah, definitely more Christmassy. So we're just about to go into the illuminated light trail from the house. You sort of go round the back and into the gardens.
Yeah. It's quite misty tonight, so it looks quite magical.
Wow, so the moment you walk through the gates, you're at the top of the hill above the sort of ponds and formal gardens, and it is beautiful. All these multicoloured trees, looks like a big light tunnel over there. Just walking up from the first garden area with the ponds and those illuminated Christmas trees, you walk up to this neon tree. It is amazing. I just can't believe they've had to sort of do all of that and how they did it. This is amazing. It looks so cool. This whole section by the Winston Churchill statue is all filled with flaming torches. It looks amazing. Something really different. Some pumping music over here.
Ooh. I mean, it's quite crowded going around these so far. It's hard to just stop and admire half of it, but we're enjoying it so far.
One thing that I found really good here is the use of music.
Yeah, definitely.
It's always synced with, the lights are always synced with the music, really kind of adds an extra level. And it's loud music as well. Where the rose garden is with that big sort of illuminated starburst, it's like pumping dance music, which I guess they can do here because there's no one around for miles. It's all their land. Really good. Wow, so this is something I wasn't expecting. They've got a full-blown fountain show here. It is. Wow.
I mean, it's really impressive. They've cleverly put a bar, food and everything so you can watch it as well. It's like a halfway point, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it is impressive. This is like nothing I've ever seen before. It is really cool. So right next to that big fountain display show is the cascade, and it looks amazing just during the day, this place, but lit up at night. Wow, does it look good with that bridge in front of it? It is beautiful. And here we are walking right up. You can walk right up to the top of the cascade so you see it from kind of the other side, just over this barrier. Wow, it's been raining a lot, and that means there is a lot of water going over the top of it. We're going into now what looks like Hogwarts. Looks like the Great Hall with all the floating candles. Again, really love it. Absolutely love it.
So simple. All there is just floating candles. You feel like you've been transported to another world.
One thing it's worth noting, if it's been raining, it is incredibly muddy around this trail. Like really, really bad. Huge puddles, a lot of mud. It's been raining virtually all day today, and it really shows on the ground. So make sure you wear some decent boots. This is supposed to be a Christmas post office. I think this is like a boathouse in actual fact, but it's all dressed up with projections in the windows, and they're, I think, kind of delivering and sorting all the presents and gifts, and then they're putting it down into Santa's sleigh down this chute. And now it's just turned into a massive party in there, apparently. Well, I think we're going into sort of what is the finale, this huge white illuminated tunnel. Looks amazing, huh?
So bright.
This is awesome. Really, really good. It is so impressive, especially if you get a break in the crowd like this. You get the chance to kind of just chill out and enjoy it, take some photos. Otherwise, the crowds can kind of be a bit kind of getting in your face and everyone trying to bustle past each other.
Have a photo, and it's really hard to like enjoy it.
I think it was worse at the start. It sort of thinned out, I think, as everyone got more spread out as the trail went on. So it's definitely better towards the end than at the start.
I really like it. I think it's so the impact of it is really good.
Yeah, it is a long walk though.
Very long.
I think it's a good 2 hours really. If you've got little kids that want to walk around and they can't walk very fast, it is going to take you a long time to get around. So keep that in mind. Oh my gosh, and to finish off the night, they have got Father Christmas here.
This is her first Father Christmas.
Yeah, never met Father Christmas before.
No,
Not a fan.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
Do you have a wave?
Wave.
So that's our evening over here at Blenheim Palace for the illuminations. What did you think?
I've always wanted to come here, and it's very expensive.
Very.
I did really enjoy it. We're just on a bit of a wet, rainy night, and I think with little ones it can be quite a long evening just to kind of appreciate it all.
Yeah, the crowds are big here, but it is a big place. So once you get past the kind of rush at the start, it really spreads out much better. I would say if you're paying like £50 a ticket, it's brilliant. Still don't know if it's worth £50 a ticket. If you come to one of the off-peak times like we did, it's a bit cheaper, well half the price.
Half the price,
yeah, so it's definitely worth doing that. Food and choices here were good, but very expensive. It was like £13–14 for a burger. And if you do come on a rainy day, just make sure you bring decent boots, like wellies I would suggest, because it is so muddy. Overall, if you can get good ticket price, I think it's definitely worth coming here. Just be aware of paying £50. That does seem a bit steep. Although I would say I think it's probably one of the best Christmas light trails we've been to and seen. It is amazing. The scale of it is huge.
Yeah, and also if you're doing a house as well, and I think that might be all included in the price, then it's worth it, definitely.
With that being said, we're off home. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!